Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel Power Query. Power Query is a powerful tool that automates data import and transformation tasks, saving you significant time. It allows you to connect to various data sources, from simple Excel files to complex databases and web services. You can then clean, reshape, and combine your data with ease, preparing it for analysis. This guide will help you master its core functionalities. To begin, navigate to the Data tab in Excel and locate the Get Data option. This is your gateway to importing information from a wide array of sources. You can easily pull data from local files, entire folders, or even directly from online services and databases. Power Query streamlines this initial connection, making it straightforward to bring your raw data into Excel for further processing. Once your data is loaded, the Power Query editor opens, providing a robust environment for transformations. Here, you can perform essential cleaning tasks like removing unnecessary columns, filtering specific rows, and correcting data types. The editor also allows you to merge different queries based on common columns or append them to stacked data, preparing your information perfectly for analysis. Beyond the basics, Power Query offers advanced features like creating custom columns using the powerful M language, allowing for complex calculations and logic. You can also unpivot data, transforming wide tables into a more analytical format. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Mastering these techniques will significantly enhance your data manipulation capabilities, making your workflows more efficient and insightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.